Good morning. Good morning. Do we want to go downstairs? Do we think it's Christmas?
Right, come on, change your diaper. Can we change your diaper first, then we'll go downstairs?
Why do you want to go downstairs, buddy? Do you think Santa Claus came? No, you don't think Santa Claus came? No Santa Claus? Good morning. It's your first Christmas.
All right, come on, Bubba.
No.
We're just going to change our diapers and go downstairs.
No.
Okay, let's go downstairs. Let's change diapers and go downstairs.
Oh, good.